Hello everybody, this is just a quick video going over some progress on the Pit Viper mag and grip carbine. I just wanted to put out a video saying, yes, I'm still working on this, because I haven't posted about this in a long while. I'm trying to get done a lot of stuff with Foxbat, which is the mag and grip pistol that this is based off of aesthetically, and with Alchemist, which is what the plunger and whatnot is based off of. So once I have both of those more done, I'm going to basically redo a lot of work on this to make it that much better. In case you missed it, the plan for this is to be a mag and grip carbine. There's going to be a pump grip down here, or a top slide up here. So basically, that bit is going to move back and forth, but it's going to be shorter so it doesn't hit your face. But anyway, you can have either a top prime or a pump grip. Prime it back and forth and fire it. It's relatively simple design, but it's not one I've seen done before, so I decided to do it. Yeah. Oh, and this also has a... this takes angled talons or straight talons. Straight talon grip doesn't look as nice, and it's not as comfortable, but it's still pretty good. Still pretty good. But I like the angled talon grip. It makes it look so cool. So, yeah. That's Pit Viper. I still need to figure out how exactly I'm attaching the trigger pull up here, all the way back to the catch back here. I'm thinking something like the slab setup, where it has some levers and a big threaded rod that goes back and hits that, but I kind of want to make it look nicer, so I'm going to try and hide it underneath the bodywork somehow. Yeah. Can't be that hard. Yep. So that's Pit Viper. I'm still working on it. It'll be done eventually, hopefully. Oh, and you can see the plunger tube through the top. Isn't that cool? It's got a little viewing window there. Yeah. Alright, that's all. Bye-bye.